Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. Mayburgh Henge can be found just outside Penrith between the A6 and M6 on the B232. Near the centre is a single stone that was one of a group, with two more pairs standing at the entrance, but they have since been removed. Legend has it that the labourers involved were cursed for their act of discretion, one going mad and the other hanging himself. Mayburgh Henge probably dates back from between 2000 and 1000 BC and may have been the meeting place of a large prehistoric community. The entrance is due east of the centre of the henge and frames the rising of the equatorial sun, which suggests the monument may reflect the cardinal points as do the Long Meg and Castle Rig stone circles.